Hello guys, welcome to SQL Tube channel. In this video today we are going to cover some of the basic operations in SQL 2019. Let's start. Today we are going to talk about how to do min max operation, count operation, sum average operations in operations, how to use SQL sum characters like percentage, square parenthesis, and between operations. So first I'm going to connect to my SQL server. Databases, tables. As you can see, I have two tables. First table has employee ID, last name, first name, address, city. Second table, I have employee ID, department, title, company, hire date, and seller. Let's start with min operation. Min function. So in SQL Server, when you use min function, it returns minimum value of that column. For example, as you saw in employee table, we have employee ID, which is numeric number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onwards. So if I do select min employee ID from table name, which is employee, it returns 1. If you remember, employee table has 14 rows and minimum employee ID is 1. Next, max function. Max function return maximum value of column. Same syntax. Instead of min, you just write max. So select max employee ID from table name, which is employee. As you saw previously, we have maximum employee ID is 14 in the table, so it should return 14. So it returned 14. So that's how it works, min and max function. Now let's talk about count function. So for count, basically it will count the column values from first to last. For example, if I want to see how many rows has employee ID in employee table, I will write select count employee ID from employee table. So we have 13. How can you check? Let's look at the table. So as you can see, we have 13, 1 to 13. If you look at employee ID, there is employee ID 4 missing. So that's how it count works. Next, sum. Basically sum is it will add all the column values and return depends on the condition. For example, we have employee detail table, which has employee ID, department, title, company, hire date, salary. So if I want to add all salary from employee detail table, which department is IT. So first I will run everything and then I'll show you the results. So you just write select sum of salary from table name, which is employee details, where department equals to IT. So as you can see, first results shows all salaries and second result is sum of salary for IT department. So in this case we have this, 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 and this. If you add all, it will return 634866. Average. Average function will return average value of that column. In this case, we have employee detail table. So if I want to see the department IT average salary, I will write select average salary from employee details, where department is IT. So as you notice, it's not the sum, but it's average value of total IT department salary. Now, as you see, we have employee detail table with different departments. If I want to see only IT and sales department, so the way I will write query is select star from employee details, where department in IT, sales. So as you can see, it will return only values for IT and sales department. Next is different characters. So as you know, select star from employee details, which is this is our base table. Now if I want to see records for department like IT percentage, okay, when you write IT percentage means first two letter is IT, and after that any letter that will return the records. So if I run this, as you can see, it return IT department. If I put percentage first and last and in between letters, that will return any values before you define. In this case, if I say senior, anything before senior, after senior, it will return all title of employee details table. So as you can see, it return 4 rows. Now square parenthesis. Square parenthesis, whatever letter you define, it will return next letter if that record exists. In this case, I am saying give me the employee details for title D and then just I. So if I run this, it should return nothing. If I run this, should return nothing. But if I run this, it should return nothing. So that's how it character works between. So as you know, select star from employee details, we have employee details table which has salary. I want to see all records who has salary between 10,000 to 100,000. So I will write select star from employee details, where salary between 10,000 and 100,000. As you can see, all are between 10,000 and 100,000. So we covered mean, max operation, count operation, sum, average operation, in operation, SQL characters, and between operations. Next video, we are going to cover order by, group by, and some wildcards and exist operations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SQL Tube channel for more SQL related videos. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.